something to you that I should have done a long time ago.
Update video. I'm back once again after my long hiatus. I don't really have an excuse for you other than my editor has been taking forever to get these videos out. So this video is just kind of like an update on what's going on with the projects, meaning the Fummins, which I haven't done anything to it other than the grandpa steps. Check the video out right now. It's super exciting. I don't know if you can see it back there. We're grandpa-fying the truck a little bit more. No, it's not camper, topper, or anything like that. It's even better, baby. I got steps. Oh yeah. And it came with the brackets. Oh, look at this. Wow. We are spoiled. Problem is, my rockers, well, they are rusty. They just seem very thin. I don't like having to hang the support off of it. So what I'm going to do is convert the brackets that came off the steps and bolt them to the frame. And that'll be the strongest, most stable method for me. So, let me show you what I'm doing in here. So this is what I have so far. I took the original brackets out of the package. I got this whole set for $60. This is to mount to an F-150 to 350, the 2010 model. I have a 92 model, so we needed to make some differences, little changes. So I've got some angle iron. Parts cut. I've got some angle iron. I've kind of tacked up what I wanted to do. So this mounts to the step, so pretend this is the step. It goes like yay. I'm gonna weld this in, weld all that in, bolt to the frame with this. And I think what I'm gonna do is triangulate. Something like that. And then cut all this excess shit off so it looks somewhat clean. So I think a bolt right here, a bolt right here. Oh yeah, the old mill press getting worked out every night. And there you have it. It's simple as that. Look how easy it is. Look how easy it is for me. Wow. I can get up into my truck now. A lot of you guys can do that. The problem with me is my knee. Me problem is me knee. And, of course, you guys are waiting on an update on the trailer. Well, it's pretty much done. I mean, it's painted. I gotta deck it and wire it. But here's some pictures. You can see it looks pretty sharp. I'm pretty happy with it. You will notice though that I did not end up doing the hydraulic beaver tail. Money's just not right there, and you guys are stingy, man. I just don't have the money. So we just went with just this old reliable beaver tail, dovetail. That's the one. One of those tails. So I picked up this sweet toolbox on Craigslist for like 20 bucks. I'm like, fuck yes, I'll just bolt it. I just made little angle iron brackets, bolted in, and it's bolted to the back. That way I can run a winch and just pop the holes right through. Then we're done. Wiring's done. Well, for $20, obviously, you're not going to have a lock, because no one ever has locks like toolboxes, it seems like. But now, mine's got the special ability where I'm locked out. Isn't this great? So I can't even get into my own toolbox. I'm already... Oh, wait. Come on. Please. Fuck. God damn it. So that's gonna pretty much wrap up the video. I have nothing else to tell you guys because I am a boring bastard. Or a broke bastard, one of the two. Anyway, here we are, Midwest Moose, closing out. Hopefully 2021 is gonna turn it over a new leaf because something's gotta give, man. Either way, keep on keeping on.